Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is part 3 of a 3-part unboxing series from the company All That You Need. And they've kindly sent me 3 of their subscription boxes for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. All links and everything related to those different subscription boxes, as well as this one, which is a Pamper Night box. I'll pop down below in the description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So this is a Pamper Night box. The cost of the box is £10.99 and £3.49 shipping. They currently only ship within the UK, but they have said on their website that they hope that will change in the near future, and if you would like them to send to your country, to drop them a line and open up discussion about it. As well as a monthly subscription which you can cancel any time, you are able to purchase a one-off box for £12.49. Inside the Pamper box you will find candles, sweet treats, bath, body, skincare and much more. There's a bit of a difference to this subscription box in the way they are run compared to other subscription boxes that you might be familiar with, as in the box that you see me unboxing today is box number 1. So if you subscribe today, your first box will be exactly what is inside this box that I'm showing you today. But if you were to say come back a couple of months later and watch this video and you think, oh, I'll subscribe, your first box will still be the same as what I'm showing you today. So if you become a regular subscriber, your box number 2 obviously will be different to number 1, your box 3 will be different to number 2 and so on. It's just that no matter when you subscribe, everyone receives the same first box and then everyone receives the same second box. I hope I'm making sense. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So let's get on to opening up this Pamper Night box. That's how it arrives. We've got a card here and it says, Claire, we hope you love your box. And it says, all we need is for you to enjoy all you need. This night is about you. Light your candle, put on your favourite movie and indulge in some mouth-watering treats. Some worms. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I think it has to be this candle. This is such a lovely candle. I love the design of it. It's really nice. It's just got a really nice lid. There's a candle. What is it? What is it? This is high quality soy wax. This is by 60 Degrees and this is in Daydreamer, hand poured in England. Now there's no information card telling me about the products. So I'll just go through them one by one, just showing you. It is stunning. What is it? It smells a little bit like, you know those sweets? It always comes back to food with me, I know. The sweets, they're, I can't remember, not refreshers. They're pink and yellow. They're little tiny sweets, you know, wrapped up sweets. Or it smells like Snow Fairy from Lush. That type of smell, you know? Always love a candle. Then we got some popcorn. You cannot watch a movie without popcorn. This is by Popcorn. I've had these in individual packets, but I didn't know they did microwave ones. But All You Need have told me that even though everyone's first box will contain all the items that you see, there might be variations. So in your box you might have sweet or sweet and salted, etc. So yeah, so we've got a microwave popcorn there. Then we've got a Unwanted by Hask. It's a Hask hair mask. This is Pinot Grigio inspired Shine and Smooth Deep Conditioner, infused with wine, lemon and pear extract to help smooth and revive that glow. We've got 50 grams. I haven't tried that one before. I bet that smells gorgeous. Then we've got a face mask, and this is by Power 10 Formula. This is V or V, and this is a sheet mask by It's Skin, and this is a nourishing sheet mask. It's all in Korean on the back there, but it does show you how to apply. So we've got a face mask. Next we've got a little bath bomb. This is a handmade bath bomb, and this is Snow Fairy. Yes, it does. The candle does smell like this bath bomb. No, it smells more like those sweets. What are they? What are they? Is it raspberry and custard? No, not those. No. Anyway, little handmade bath bomb there. And this is actually in the scent of Snow Fairy. I didn't notice this. This is a Candy Hearts bath bomb. And this smells more like sherbet, like Love Hearts. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's Candy Hearts. Maybe that's what it is. Then we've got some tea by Twinings, and this is Sleep, spiced apple and vanilla with chamomile and passion flowers. What's that? And then we've got another tea by Off Black. This is Sleep Breezy, chamomile and peach flavour. That sounds really nice. And then we got a Lotus Biscoff biscuit. Then we've got a big bar of Dairy Milk Oreo. Nice. And then a couple of Starbursts in the bottom there. Whether you start off the evening watching a film, lighting a candle, hair mask, face mask, eating popcorn, chocolates, sweets, and then before you go to bed you drink your chamomile tea and things. I do really like this box, I really do. I think out of all the boxes this one is my favourite. Be interesting to see what box number 2, number 3 is, so if you do subscribe to the subscription please let me know, because I'd love to know what goodies you received in those boxes. But yeah, so the cost of the box then, £10.99 and £3.49 shipping. I think as with all the boxes from the company that I have unboxed, I wouldn't say they're all great value for money. That's not where these boxes stand in my own opinion. I do think, as with the other boxes, if you were to go out and buy them all individually, that you probably may be able to get it cheaper than what the actual cost or the box cost. But I think if I was to receive a subscription box, a Pamper Night subscription box once a month for under £15, and with the contents that I've seen from this box, I think I'd be really happy. I also think this would make a good gift as well to give to someone. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe, or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So yeah, so thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.